Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to create favourites on your Samsung Smart TV. This is a step-by-step guide. So on your Samsung Smart TV here, the channel up and down, you want to press it in, and this should bring up this menu here. And then you want to come down on the left hand side here to edit channels. Select that. Now come over to the left hand side and you'll see favourites here. You can see it's currently favourites 1. Select that. Now it'll take you over to the right hand side. Select add channels, and now you can select, as you can see, up to 380 channels. I'll just select these 6 here. Then we select add. So now they're all in your favourites 1. If you want to rename it, so we'll rename it to whatever you want. Let's just keep it at favourites 1. Once you've renamed it, just press go. Then you want to press save and exit at the very bottom. And now you can see, if we go back out of this, so when we press that button again, hold it down, there we go. And we can go to the bottom here where our favourites are, and we can select any of our favourite channels, or we can go up to all channels here, and all channels will be listed. If you keep it pressed down, it'll take you to the main channel page like that, where you can access all channels, or you can come to the left to your favourites, and you can edit the channels from there also. So hopefully that helps you out how to add favourites on your Samsung Smart TV. It's very easy and very convenient.